Wolves, guardians of forests and ecosystems. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wolves, nature's guardians and vital players in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Have you ever wondered what would happen if wolves disappeared? These majestic predators play a crucial role in keeping nature in balance. However, despite their importance, wolves face numerous threats. Why are wolves important to ecosystems? Wolves are apex predators. They regulate the populations of herbivores, such as deer and elk. Without wolves, herbivore populations grow too quickly, leading to vegetation destruction and forest degradation. When wolves are present, forests become denser, bird and small animal populations increase, and rivers are cleaner, thanks to a stable ecosystem. Example, in Yellowstone National Park, after wolves were reintroduced in 1995, the ecosystem revived. Deer stopped overgrazing in valleys, allowing shrubs and trees to recover. This led to the return of beavers and birds, and rivers regained new channels and became more stable. Where do wolves live and how long do they live? Wolves inhabit North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. They prefer forests, tundra, steppes, and mountainous regions. The average lifespan of a wolf in the wild is 6 to 8 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 15 years. Pack hierarchy and social life. Wolves are social animals living in packs that can consist of 5 to 15 individuals. A pack has a clear hierarchy. Alpha pair, the leading male and female who make decisions and lead the pack. Beta wolves, they're helpers who maintain order. Omega wolves, the lowest rank in the hierarchy, often easing tension within the pack. This hierarchy helps the pack hunt effectively and protect its territory. Hunting and feeding habits. Wolves are hunters and can prey on both small and large animals, such as deer, elk, and bison. They can travel long distances in pursuit of prey. Hunting is organized. The pack surrounds and drives the prey, working as a team. Raising pups. Pups are born blind and helpless, so the entire pack cares for them together. The alpha female nurses the pups during the first few weeks, and then the whole pack brings them food. Pups grow quickly and begin participating in pack life at around 6 months old. By 1 year, they can hunt alongside adults. Threats in wolf conservation. The main threats to wolves are poaching, habitat loss, and conflicts with farmers. However, many countries have wolf conservation programs. Reserves, wildlife corridors, and compensation programs for farmers who lose livestock are just a few measures that help preserve populations. What can we do? Spread awareness. The more people know about the importance of wolves, the more support they will receive. Support wildlife reserves and conservation organizations. Volunteer or participate in wildlife restoration programs. Wolves are not only a symbol of the wild, but also a vital element in the health of our planet. Protecting them is a step towards preserving nature for future generations. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. What fascinates you most about wolves? Have you ever seen one in the wild? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread the word about these incredible creatures. See you in the next video.